Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Nissan Rogue rear bumper. First, gather all your tools like a socket set, trim removal tools, and a flathead screwdriver. Ensure you have a clean, well-lit area to work safely. If your new bumper parts are unpainted, consider getting them painted before installation for a perfect match. Now, let's remove the old bumper. Begin by locating and removing all screws, clips, and bolts that hold the bumper cover in place, often found in the wheel wells and underneath. Gently pull the bumper away from the vehicle, being careful not to damage any paint. Remember to disconnect any electrical wiring for lights or parking sensors. With the old bumper off, it's time for the new one. First, reattach any electrical connectors for lights or sensors to the new bumper. Carefully align the new bumper cover with the vehicle's mounting points and clips. Once aligned, push it firmly into place and then reinsert all the screws, clips, and bolts you removed earlier. You're almost done. Take a moment to double-check that all fasteners are tight and secure and that the bumper is flush with the body. Turn on your vehicle and test all lights, including turn signals and brake lights, and ensure any sensors are working correctly. Finally, remember to dispose of your old bumper responsibly. Great job!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.